Hey guys, I'm standing here in a leftover 2022 Passport 2401BH. As you can see, our price comes out to be $33,999 for everything. But this is a smaller family style camper. Your entrance is towards the rear of your camper, but as soon as you walk in, you are met with double over double bunks. These are great for, if you have 4 kids, depending on size, you can have 2 kiddos per bunk if you want. You can have your friends stay with you. There's plenty of room. Ladder is mounted in, and it's nice and wooden. It doesn't stick out far, so no one trips, falls, and hurts themselves. And the bottom bunk also has the capability to fold up. So if your kids are at a friend's house for the weekend, you have no use for the bottom bunk whatsoever, you can fold this up, latch it just back there, and then you're able to place taller items in here like bikes, camping chairs, tables, things like that. When you do have a use for the bunk, you still are able to place items just below, which is pretty nice. Each bunk also has a privacy curtain as well as a window. Lights too. The top bunk is rated for 300 pounds, but plenty of height space as well. You can have the arched ceilings too. Just next to the bunk beds is your bathroom. Foot flush toilet, stand-up showers back there. Again, with the arched ceilings, the taller height of the ceiling is towards the shower head. Skylight, vent fan, and window in here, so there's plenty of natural light. And of course, you have your medicine cabinet, outlet, sink with storage down below. Closet storage space just on the outside for your kids. Shelves are removable, which is nice. At least the top bunk has the removable ones. And then turning around to the rest of the coach, control paneling for everything is right when you walk in as well. Bluetooth speaker system, connect your phone that way, listen to the radio, your own music, inside, outside, all of that fun stuff. Here in your slide out, ginormous U-shaped dinette, especially if you have 4 people sleeping on the bunks. You want to have a lot of extra space for your family to eat, sit down, play some board games, things like that. But this also folds down to a sleeping spot, so that's pretty cool. Jumbo-sized drawers are below. Put those board games in there if you want. Deck of cards, placemats, things like that. And there is 0 carpet throughout the entire camper. Passports do not have carpet, so it makes for easy cleanup for dust, pet hair, spills, things like that. Stainless steel fridge is also located in your slide out. Turning around, TV is on a swivel. You can change the position of it for a better view. Lots of countertop space down below, and you have even more storage space. 3-burner stovetop with a glass cover, your oven, more cabinetry underneath your sink, countertop space back there, even more extended countertop space. Stainless steel sink, spray faucet, power outlets are on each side so you can have your smaller appliances plugged in. Microwave range hood, and even more cabinets. Walking into the master bedroom, queen size bed, extra storage underneath, end tables or nightstands are on each side, and they both have outlets and USB ports, which is pretty nice. Closet lockers are hanging above each nightstand. And then you have 3 extra cabinets that connect both. Spot for a TV in the corner, and a barn style sliding door for your extra privacy. Fire extinguisher, which is pretty nice. And as we walk out here, you got 2 20-pound propane tanks, power tongue jack, very user-friendly. All you have to do is just press a button and it does the work for you. Fiberglass front cap and siding. And you have pass-through storage space on top of all the extra storage that you have in there. Even got yourself a little motion sensor light so you can see what you're grabbing if you get to the campground while it's still dark. Slam latch door, and it also has a magnetic latch. Powered awning, and it pretty much stretches 99% of the way across. Hookups for a TV, outside speakers I was telling you about, friction hinge door so the wind won't blow it into the side of your camper. Extended season camping, power stabilizing jacks. It does have a solar panel on it, and an outside kitchen too. So it's actually protected underneath your powered awning, which is really nice. So you can still be outside cooking if the weather is not wanting to cooperate. Mini fridge, open shelving, and a pull-out couple burners. Solid steps as well. rear ladder for maintenance purposes. And here is the access door to place your storage items just underneath the bunk bed. It does lock on the outside so your kids can't escape during the night. Spare tire. And then you are pre-wired for a backup camera. That can be really nice for taking, when taking your camper down the road, you can see the back of it, and then also lining it up in your campsite spot. Single slide out on your non-camping side, and then also access to your water heaters over here. So any additional questions about the 2401BH Passport GT, feel free to let us know.